Welcome to 1416 West Highland Street in Chandler's desirable Brooks Crossing neighborhood. A fully remodeled home offering comfort, style, and plenty of space to enjoy. The open eat-in kitchen features crisp white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, an oversized island, and a walk-in pantry, ideal for everyday living or hosting guests. You'll enjoy both separate living and family rooms, complete with a real wood-burning fireplace and a custom media wall with stone accents. The owner's suite offers 2 walk-in closets, a private sitting area with patio access, and a beautifully updated bathroom. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,500 square feet, this home has been thoughtfully updated from top to bottom. Fresh interior and exterior paint, new luxury vinyl plank flooring, plush carpet, new baseboards, and updated lighting and fixtures create a clean, modern feel throughout. Step outside to a full-length covered patio, Pebble-Tec play pool, artificial turf, a sport court, and a spacious workshop, all with alley access, RV gate, and extra parking up front. This move-in ready home checks every box for comfort, function, and fun, all in a great Chandler location.